Good morning everyone. My name is Siddharth Chaturvedi from Lucknow University, Department of Political Science. My topic is Foreign Policy and Security. Today, let's note that fundamental rule of our foreign policy is Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Santu Niramaya. With our national interest and Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which is Sanskrit heritage means the word is one family. We know India is not developing country. India is a redeveloping country because Asian India had a well-developed and dynamic foreign policy shaped by its geographical location and trade relations, cultural exchange and military strategy. While there was no centralized foreign policy in the modern sense, whereas India kingdom and empire followed by dignity, diplomatic studies and maintained peace, expand influence and protect their territories. Indian foreign policy in ancient time was shaped by key principles by such dharma. These principles can be still seen in modern Indian foreign policy. Let's explore how Asian tradition relate to present peace and non-aggressive, ahimsa and panchashila, short power diplomacy, culture and religion, strategic allies, geopolitical engagement, economic diplomacy. As we look the future, let us reform our set the belief of world where nation interests are pursued with integrity and international cooperation is the global security. India stand ready, work hard in hand with their international community to bring a safer, more just world for all. In conclusion, Indian foreign policy and security global agenda are reflective of a nation that are deeply rooted in its historical values, yet dimensionally engaged with the challenges of modern world. Indian modern foreign policy still reflects Asian Indian principles, diplomatic engagement, cultural influence, economic connectivity, strategic alliance, while adapting to contemporary global challenges. India blends with the past with modern reflective to maintain its global position. We follow the Dharma ideology, and to confirm the statement, I reflect the sloka from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirvoti bharata, avyutthanam dharmasya pradatmanam sujamyam, pattanaya sadhuna vinasaya chatuskedam, tam sansthapanathaye shambhami.